This is Gaston Network. Apparently, we have to interrupt the following program to bring you the important news flash from the report. It happened earlier this afternoon that the actual BN logo has raised off to the United Kingdom just after a stranger imported the exchange of high quality. Even he cuts the biscuit's back view of the BN biscuit, then grows into a giant soft one. It was actually done by Classic Charol, who was the one who done that subtlety of that BN biscuit that was actually taken from a new BN mail-in biscuit from France, and was therefore imported to outer space, as the mean appeared alone. Then the wheat, along with the letters B and N running, appeared one by one, and then spook a lot of people, after they fall down into the entire country of United Kingdom, but not around the world. But it is only the United Kingdom that got affected with the BN letters and the wheat symbol. The Prime Minister Tony Blair has assigned this commission. Why does both had to appear and then spook them to appear by the window? Ali Larad has addressed the nation behind she, and she gained a respect. Why the new BN mail-in biscuit letters along with the wheat that affected the United Kingdom, and then was caused and done by Classic Charol from that caused of infamous action from what it is behind the biscuit's logo. The Livy police was called on Classic Charol and spends 3 hours in prison after he does that thing he caught on the news. By doing so, the security cameras caught the footage of Classic Charol, who done that bad awful action he did. Because of this, the latest episode of Top Gear is now being cancelled until further notice because of Jeremy Clarkson's angry message to the BN biscuit logo and Weir. And then he said, "What the flying flip are they both doing in our country anyway?" That is what it means by doing so. The schedule now comes to a complete change after that infamous action done by Classic Charol, and since he has done this. Right now, here is the news with Fuful Goatwick. It's 5:53 p.m.